This hydroelectric facility has been operating since the 1920s. After a century of service, its massive steel penstock pipes were corroded, misshapen, and structurally compromised. Replacement wasn't an option. The plant's infrastructure sits directly on top of the pipes. That's when the Fife Company, in partnership with A&G Industrial, stepped in to take on the challenge. The Fife system was chosen to lead a pilot program, installing a hand-laid-up carbon fiber composite liner engineered to meet the America Water Works Association's Class 4 standard, a structurally independent pipe rehabilitation standard. This classification ensures the liner possesses long-term hoop strength when tested independently from the host pipe, equal to or greater than the strength required to withstand the maximum operating pressure of the host pipe, short-term load resistance, and the ability to perform independently of the host pipe. Short-term hoop strength, when tested independently from the host pipe, equal to or greater strength than the strength required to withstand all anticipated short-term loads, such as negative pressures, occasional and recurrent surge pressures, and live loads. The ability to survive the full range of anticipated failure modes of the host pipe without leakage or consequential damage to the lining. In effect, it serves as a fully structural pipe within a pipe. The work began with extensive surface preparation. Crews grit blasted the pipe interiors to a near white metal finish, removing all scale and corrosion to ensure a sound substrate for system adhesion. After the surface preparation was complete, it was time to rebuild all deteriorated surfaces with the TIFO S100% solids thickened epoxy system to fill pitting and to transition out of round rivet assemblies, stiffener plates, and any other surface anomaly that would create a stress riser in the system. The transitions were installed at a 4:1 and in some cases 6:1 ratio, achieving a uniform surface suitable for composite installation. Following the surface repairs and transitions, a TIFO web fiberglass liner was installed to provide a water and galvanic barrier, isolating the TIFO carbon fiber fabric from the steel. With that foundation in place, the TIFO carbon fiber composite system, the heart of the repair, was installed in stages. The liner was applied in layers. First a hoop wrap of the TIFO SCH 41-2 X carbon fiber fabric around the pipe adhered with the TIFO S thickened epoxy, then a longitudinal layer of the TIFO carbon fiber fabric for lengthwise strength, and finally a second hoop wrap of the TIFO carbon fiber fabric to lock it all together. Each layer was carefully saturated and smoothed to create a seamless structural shell, essentially building a new pipe inside the old one. The entire Fife composite system was then top-coated for protection with a 100% solids TIFO PWC potable water coating system. The result was a fully independent composite liner that overcame severe corrosion and irregular geometry, all while maintaining the pipe's hydraulic capacity. No excavation, no costly demolition. This project shows how the Fife Company, in partnership with A&G Industrial, deliver innovative carbon fiber solutions that extend the life of critical infrastructure and keep essential facilities running strong.